Hello guys, welcome back na naman dito sa ating channel. So dito guys, nagprint tayo ngayon ng basketball jersey, which is this one. Ito yung quality ng tahi natin dito guys. Quality talaga tayo dito na side guys, ganyan. Ito yung piniprint niya ngayon. Yan yung nasa printer natin, which is ito. So ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung piniprint natin ngayon. Basketball jersey to guys, which is curved side bowlers to siya guys. Ayan. Yan na printer yung gamit natin. Look at the quality guys. Quality is sharp yung image natin guys. High quality talaga guys. Then dito sa ating output, yan. Patuloy tayo na print, and then ito yung output natin. Yan. Ito yung kalalabasan pag na heat press and natahi na rin natin guys. So yan yung pagtahi. Yan. Curve side. Dito din sa baba, yung gamit nating machine is piping na 5 threads yung gamit natin. Hindi 2 threads, 3 threads, hindi 4 threads. Which is 5 threads yung gamit natin guys. Ganyan. Then itong output niya, which is naka NBA cut to siya guys. Naka NBA cut yung likod. Like this. Yan yung output natin. Yan. Naka NBA cut siya. Ganyan. So dito may dalawa tayong 2 types of tahi. Meron tayong round cut, yan yung regular na cutting, meron ding NBA cut. Ito yung ginawa natin ngayon, which is NBA cut to guys. Yan yung output natin. So dito, yan yung result. Yan din yung kulay ng quality. Yan, ganyan. Ganyan. Patuloy pa na pre-print guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe in our channel, and then kindly like and follow na rin sa ating channel. Subscribe na rin guys. Thank you for watching. For another content, I will upload more for this kind of videos and contents. Basketball jersey tayo guys. Thank you for watching.